Japan and its inhabitants are famous for their superior technological abilities and nearly ideal way of life. The unique selling proposition is in the little things, awareness, and unconventional yet successful solutions. Implement these 5 Japanese techniques if you want to live a better life as well, and you'll quickly notice a change in yourself. Your life will become better and easier as a result of these healthy lifestyle choices. Today, we'll discuss the top 5 universally applicable Japanese techniques. These include Japanese water therapy, the Japanese organizing method known as KonMari, the Japanese financial skill known as Kakeibo, and lastly the Japanese visual system known as Kanban. Continue watching to learn more about these strategies, which might lead to a better lifestyle, greater savings, and more productivity. 1. Japanese water therapy. Japanese water therapy is quite well liked among health buffs. You must drink glasses of water, room temperature, every morning as soon as you wake up in order to use this Japanese approach. Be cautious to wait for around 30 to 45 minutes after drinking the water before eating breakfast. The idea also calls for chewing meals properly, gargling with warm water and salt before night, and walking every day to increase metabolism. Following this method will help you avoid constipation, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, cancer, and weight problems. 2. Japanese methodology, Kaizen. You may conquer your lethargy with the aid of this Japanese technique, which will benefit both your personal and professional life. For the layman, Kai denotes change and Zen denotes wisdom. According to reports, Masaaki Amai was the inspiration for this clever approach. Kaizen, which is known as the 1-minute principle, calls for engaging in a specific task for just 1 minute each day. Anything from walking to reading that you find dull can be used as the activity. The intention is to get rid of the accompanying fatigue and dissatisfaction. Your push will get tougher after a minute because you will feel accomplished rather than tired. Therefore, give this approach a try if you've been feeling really lethargic about accomplishing things. 3. Japanese money management, Kakeibo. The Kakeibo budgeting technique from Japan is well known and popular worldwide. The Japanese word Kakeibo, pronounced Kakeibo, means home financial ledger. Hani Motoko, who is renowned for being the first female journalist in Japan, is the one who created it. It is a straightforward and uncomplicated method of handling money. In order to use this strategy, you must maintain a journal that details all entering and departing costs. You'll become aware of the faults if you write by hand in a book. Prior to purchasing any non-essential item, you must use this approach, which requires you to ask the questions below. Could I survive without it? Can I pay for it? What use is this? Do I have room for it? How am I feeling right now? How does buying it make me feel? This approach will stop you from making unplanned purchases by assisting you in understanding your needs and wants. Spending with awareness will lead to greater savings than usual. 4. Japanese method of waste removal, KonMari. You recently heard about Marie Kondo and her well-known decluttering techniques. Japanese organizing expert Kondo has inspired and changed the lives of countless individuals with her groundbreaking abilities. One may clean and have an ordered house with her KonMari approach. Bringing everything together in one location is the first step. Keeping the things that bring you joy and getting rid of the things that don't is the second stage. Third, give them some gratitude for their service before throwing them out. Fourth, choose the best location to store the stuff. 5. Japanese visual system, the Kanban, a graphic method of managing workflow is called Kanban. The term means billboard or signboard. Taiichi Ono created the first Kanban system for Toyota automobiles. In order to fully supervise and manage work and inventory at every level of production, he desired a straightforward planning system. Kanban systems are currently being used by large companies like Ford Motor Company and Bombardier Aerospace, among others. There are 3 columns on a traditional Kanban board: to do, doing, and done. This straightforward graphic will provide openness regarding activities and potential constraints. You can add more detail based on your process. To manage and enhance productivity, use this workflow management system.